Nonprofits, do you often struggle with the words to use when asking for a gift? Well, at a conference session early in my fundraising career, the presenter spouted off words to use to ask someone for a gift. Thank goodness, hands went up as everyone wanted to hear that again. It was golden. The words rolled off the presenter's tongue so easily. It was beautifully said. I would have given money to almost anyone who asked the way he did. These words gave me a track to run on. Hi there, I'm Nancy Reeves, your fundraising coach. Make sure you subscribe to my weekly insights by clicking here. That way you won't miss out on my fundraising tips and strategies. As year end approaches, you're making calls to donors who you have not heard from this year. These individuals have been engaged with your organization this past year. Maybe you are comfortable with asking for support, but maybe an example of ask language would help inspire you. I want to share ask language with you that you can use over the phone or in person. There are three main elements to every ask. Number one, share what you are asking people to support. Number two, be specific with your ask amounts, $100, $1,000, or $10,000. If you are making a one-to-one ask, be specific with one amount. For example, say $10,000. Number three, describe the transformation from the benefit of their gift. The complete ask sentence would be this: would you consider a gift of $10,000 to the ABC program so 12 people can receive individualized rehabilitation and go on to lead happy and productive lives? Then pause. So consider using this as a guide. My goal as a fundraising coach is to make sure you are successful. You can secure those outstanding year-end major gifts. Start by knowing what you want to say to ask someone for a gift. Your words should flow easily and naturally. Always include these 3 points in your ask. Remember to sign up for my weekly fundraising tips and strategies by clicking here or going to fundraisingmaximize.com. Look for the bright green button. Again, that's fundraisingmaximize.com. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye for now.